Hello crypto investor. Welcome to another Vector guide. Now we'll show you the Notification Center tool on Vector. With this tool, you stay up to date with all the messages sent by the Vector team, market alerts, trading tips, news and updates. To access the Notification Center, just click the bell icon at the top right side of the platform. So, to check the latest news published on the platform, all you have to do is to left-click with the mouse over the bell icon to access the notification window. You can also access the notifications by choosing the option View and then Notifications. In this way, you can check the last messages sent and also past notifications just by rolling down the screen. Here we can check all kinds of notifications, for example, platform updates, webinar invitations, to access the direct link to the event, warnings about important events, among others. And when a new notification message arrives, you'll notice a small red circle right next to the bell icon. So keep an eye on your notification center to stay up to date with the latest updates and news, selected by our team specially for you. We will keep you posted about everything Vector users should know. Good trades and see you soon!